Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Battle.net download stock. Alright, so if Battle.net is still stuck at 0% installing, or it's just it seems like it's going on an endless download journey, I'm just going to show you how to fail-proof fix. I will show you a fail-proof fix for Windows and macOS. So let's say you launched the Battle.net web app and you clicked on download Battle.net and it's just still stuck at 0% initializing or all the stuff. Here's how to fix it. First, restart the launcher and PC. So close Battle.net completely, including all background processes. On Windows, open the Task Manager, go to Details tab and kill agent.exe and agent-helper.exe. Then restart your computer. A fresh restart clears temporary network or permission blocks. Step 2, check your network security or settings. So disable any VPN or proxy, as this can block download connections. Temporarily disable antivirus or Windows firewall, or add Battle.net to the allow list. If you're using Wi-Fi, try a wired connection or restart your modem or router. Step 3, delete all Battle.net cache files. Press Win and R. Enter %program data %, and delete the Battle.net, Blizzard Entertainment, and related folders. Also remove folders in app data /local/Battle.net and app data /romans/Battle.net. After deleting, empty your recycle bin, then restart the Battle.net app. It rebuilds fresh files. Step 4, reinstall the Battle.net application if needed. If problems persist, uninstall Battle.net completely via Control Panel or macOS uninstall. Download and install the latest version from Blizzard's official site. Step 5, run with admin rights. This is for Windows only. So right-click the Battle.net shortcut, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, tick Run this program as an administrator, then apply and restart the app. Clearing cache removes corrupted files. Killing agent.exe forces the updater to restart cleanly. Removing interference like firewalls, proxies, or VPNs restores connectivity. And a fresh install ensures all components are current. Okay, so that's it. These are the 5 easy steps to free your Battle.net stock download. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.